Prefix and suffix. Prefix. A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Let's have some examples. Un, that means not. Re, that means again. Pre, that means before. Mis, that means wrong. Dis, that means opposite. Now put the prefix before any base word and check their meanings. Unhappy, unclear. That means not happy and not clear. Redo, rewrite. That means do again and write again. Preview, preheat means before heat and before view. Misunderstand, misspell means wrong understanding and wrong spell. Disagree, disconnect. Suffix. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of any word to change its form or function, like tense or part of a speech. Like full means full of, less, without, ing, gerund, it, used in past tense, ness, state of. Now we will add these suffixes to the base word and will check their meanings. Number 1. Hopeful. Joyful means full of hope and full of joy. Hopeless, fearless. Without hope, without fear. Running, eating. Walked, played. Kindness, darkness. Prefix always go at the beginning of a word. Let's have some examples of prefix and their meanings. Prefix un, that means not. Re, again. Pre, before. Dis, opposite of. Miss, wrongly. Now let's have their examples and meanings of their new words. Unorganized, that means not organized. Recall, call again. Repost, before post. Dislike, not like. Mismatch, wrongly match. Suffix always go at the end of a word. Here are some examples of suffix and their meanings. Full, full of. Less, without. Ing, any action that is happening now or in past or future. Id, used in past tense. Ness, state of being. Here are some examples and their meanings. Helpful, full of help. Hopeless, without hope. Running, it may be action of present, past or future. Jumped, happened in the past. Kindness, being kind. Let's do some more practice for making our concept strong. Add a prefix to each base word and form a new word. Meanings are already written there. Number 1. The base word is happy. We will add a prefix un. It becomes unhappy. That means not happy. Number 2 is do. Add a prefix the. It becomes redo. That means do again. The base word is view. We will add a prefix re. It becomes preview. That means see before. Next base word is like. We will add a prefix is. It becomes dislike. That means not like. Next base word is place. We will add the prefix miss. It becomes misplaced. That means lost temporarily. Let's do some practice of suffix as well. Add a suffix to each base word and form a new word. The first base word is care. Add a suffix full. It becomes careful. That means full of care. Second word is hope. Add a suffix less. It becomes hopeless. That means without hope. Wool. Add an suffix in. It becomes woolen. Anything that is made up of wool. Play. Add a suffix ing. That is also a gerund. Now it becomes play. Any action that is doing right now or in past or in future, but the action must be continued. Kind. Add a suffix ness. It becomes kindness. That means state of being kind. Students, as we know that we can make a new word by adding a prefix to the base word. For example, here we have a base word agree. We have added a prefix dis to make a new word disagree. In the same way, we can make a new word by adding a suffix. For example, here we have the same base word agree and we have added a suffix ment. Now the new word is agreement. But do you know that we can make a new word by adding a prefix and a suffix simultaneously, means at the same time? Let's have the same example. Here the base word is agree. We have added a suffix ment and a prefix dis to make a new word disagreement. Now the meaning is completely changed. Let's have some more examples. Here are the base words. First, we will make new word by adding prefix. Disagree, undenied, deactivate, disorganized, overreact, unbelieve, inflex, reappear. Now we will make new word by adding suffix. Agreement, deniable, activation, organized, reaction, believable, flexibility, appearance. Now, at the end, we will add prefix and suffix at the same time with the base word for making new word. Let's see the examples. Disagreement, undeniable, deactivation, disorganized, overreaction, unbelievable, inflexibility, reappearance. Now it's time for activity. It's your turn. Fill in the blanks with correct prefix or suffix. Base words are given for each sentence. You have to choose the correct prefix or suffix that give an appropriate meaning to the sentence. Number 1 is, I can't believe he is so dash. The base word is care. My parents always dash their best to help me. We dash what you mean. She is always dash. They finished dash in the race. Word sorting game. Sort the word into prefix or suffix category and write into correct column below. Unhappy, rewind, kindness, reheat, misplace, careful, jumped, disagree. What you have to do? Pick a word and see is it a prefix or suffix and write down in the correct column. The last activity is choose a base word and try to create new word by adding a prefix or suffix. Then use the word in your sentence. Here are some base words. joy, friend, color, play, move. If you learned from my video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.